unit 4, which is our last unit in this case, and as I stated in the beginning or earlier that under each and every unit, I only took either 3 or 2 contents that I have looked at, and in the next sessions, that's how we will be doing it. We are taking 2 until we are done with the whole module. Unit 4, illustrate and clarify constructing and collage work. Introductions, this is the last unit for the visual arts, and we are going to concentrate on constructing work. You must take out your tools, and that is only when we are doing it practically. For now, we are just discussing of how it should be, in case there will be a moment when we will need to do it practical, then you must be able to take out your tools and start correcting materials in advance, recycled materials that you can use for construction. If any of you think that this unit is not necessary for teaching the pre-primary education or class, think again. The 3D objects that you use in teaching are of foremost importance. The 2 activities that we will concentrate on are using construction and collage in art education. So when you talk about collage, think about papers when it comes to pre-primary class. That's why we'll think of the materials that are hammerers that your learners will be able to use without injuring themselves. Or the 4.1, box construction, how do we do that? There are 2 types of box constructions, activities for junior primary learners, and for both these are tons of fun. So it's never bored to be constructing boxes. Children or learners love doing these practical art activities because they feel independent, they are not shouted at, they are given an opportunity to express themselves. So it's never boring, and just to feel happy when you are doing this with the kids, because your happiness really adds more motivation to the kids. The one activity is to collect boxes of all shapes and size. You will need plenty if you want this to work. Let parents help you and even your colleagues. Focus on small boxes and not bigger boxes. Otherwise, you will have storage problems. However, you can use these boxes to the following, or for the following activities. So you have to look at your space when collecting boxes, so that you don't collect boxes that will not fit in your space, and you will not have use to it. For it, it's a waste of energy. And you will also hate to see it going to waste again where you have just picked it. Even feel you could have used it for something, but because of the space that you have, maybe it's limited. So just look at your space when collecting these pieces of boxes, and so that you don't get it all messed with boxes. 2.2. That's the second activity, constructing activities or construction activities. Includes any form of constructing or building a picture or an object. The learners can also make constructions with other recycled materials like plastic bottles, toilet papers, toilet paper rolls, or bags. If you remember, but you have to, if you remember, I showed you a picture where learners used to only speak. That is just in the slide. I think it's not supposed to be here. But that is the end of our lessons for today. And hopefully for my next session, so I will be able to demonstrate to you. I'll bring models so that I demonstrate to you how to construct the boxes and also other activities that we feel and it need practical demonstration for you to understand what it's being described in the lessons. Thank you.